Welcome to WP theme tutorial. And I don't know what episode this is off the top of my head, so yeah, welcome to WP theme tutorial. Today we're going to look at WordPress 3.5 because it's right around the corner. Today is December 7th. It was supposed to be out on December 5th. It went into code freeze and they're just killing a couple more bugs before it comes out. If you're interested in other WordPress 3.5 features, I did a post last week on the new admin post hooks in WordPress 3.5, which you can see up on the screen here. Which are edit form after title, edit form after editor. And we actually went through how to save text areas with them using, WP Editor. So if you're interested in that, jump back and listen to the podcast or watch the screencast or the post. So I'm loaded up on, I guess, the bleeding edge version, which is, you see, 3.5 RC4 and some long number. And we're going to look at the media gallery. We'll start by going to a post. I'm going to remove that featured image that I did earlier. So you can see the whole UI got a bit of a refresh, but we're really going to play with the media. If you go to add media, you can see that there's a huge difference in what we had from before. We have a gorgeous grid layout. Yeah, it's just awesome. And we start off with our media library. Uploading files is got a bit of a refresh as well, but ultimately still works very much the same. I'll upload a photo of me. I'll upload a photo there. You can see it's nice and fast. We have our title over here. Captions, alt text, descriptions, and all our alignment as well. And then we could insert it into post just like we would normally. You can see it's in my post. Adding featured images is nice. We can just hit set featured image, pick our image. And again, we have our meta information as well, and set featured image. I find that much nicer. And we can also search. So Eden is my daughter's name, and we can easily search, and we saw how fast that was. And you can see we are searching. Now, one thing to note that it is searching against the title of the image and not the alt text. You see the alt text is not filled in here. But in this one, it's got both. There's a couple other images that I went through. You can see this one just has the alt text of Eden, but a different title. So if I change that and then searched Eden, oh, it should come up. Doesn't look like it is though. So maybe I actually have to exit. So we'll go add media. Let's try now. It's still not coming up. So these two earlier, maybe I actually have to leave the post and come back. Anyways, you can see it's searching. It's much faster. And we can even choose types, right? We can only ones on this post, only images, audio, or video. So now the media manager, the main media manager also got some stuff. See, these images down here were uploaded with an old version of WordPress. And I have debugging on, so you don't see this in a normal. These images aren't brand new. Let's jump into this image. And you can see that we just have a new, more like a post edit screen like you'd see on a blog post or a page. Technically, attachments or media items are post types, and they're just stored with a post type of attachment. So again, we have our caption, alternative text or alt text, and our description. We actually have a nice tiny MCE editor here. And then editing the image is much easier to get to as well. So now we can crop it to a certain aspect ratio. We can apply changes to all sizes except thumbnails, and then we'd say we can rotate it, right? Yeah, we can flip it. There's lots of different things we can do. So that's a quick video tour of the new media uploader in WordPress 3.5.